Hi friends, Pradeep Pendyala, your buddy, Professor of Anesthesiology. Friends, today we will talk about success, happiness and achievement. Do you think success and happiness are interrelated? Do you have to be an achiever to be happy? Is it very essential to be very successful to be happy? And how much you should be successful in your life? How you have to achieve what you want to achieve in your life? Let's discuss about it. Surprisingly, most of the toppers in the school end up being losers in real life. Yes, I do have to say this. Most of the toppers in school and colleges, when they come to the real life experiences, they are losers. They are nowhere in the competition, despite being a topper in the school or a college or university. This happens. Why? Surprisingly, toppers in the school or college are usually afraid of taking risks. Unless you take risks, friends, you can never be successful or even for that matter happier in your life. Normally these toppers, they get paralyzed with the fear that if they do something, it should be perfect. Otherwise, they should not do it. Because they were achievers, they were toppers and successful in the school and college. Now they want, if ever they do something, it should be right in the very first time. That's rarely it happens in real life. That's where they go wrong. They also have the fear of making mistakes. Yes, they do have. There is this social pressure from their friends and their relatives that they'll be always under pressure. What others will think if they fail. And that is the problem. That is the reason for all the problems and why the toppers in a school or college in the university always, not always, most of the time end up as failures in real life. Why? There's also one more reason. These toppers prefer to stay in their comfort zone and they refuse to take risks or come out of their comfort zone. Then what happens? The dropped out people, the people who have been failures and from the bottom first, they become successful in real life because they have already experienced enough failure in their school and college and now they are more likely to take risks. And that is the game changer. And by the way, there's also in real life, there are other factors that will determine success. And these factors are usually never taught in school, college, or a top university. By the way, regardless of how old you are, where you live, or what your career goals are, it's likely that your ultimate goal in your life should be, rather are, to be happy and successful. To be successful means more than just having money and making your mark. It means following your passion, living purposefully, and enjoying the present moment. These are the factors which make the difference. By the way, I was just mentioning about the passions. Identify your passion before you can achieve success. You will have to define what success means to you. And by the way, suppose to achieve your dreams and to be the person you want to be, you will have to start paying attention to your actions. Ask yourself, is this what I am doing going to lead me to where I want to be in life? If you find yourself constantly bored, daydreaming about the future or past or counting down the minutes until the day ends, it is probably because you feel disconnected from what you are doing. Cherish your time Cherish your time and the day. Try to spend your free time doing what you love or enjoy. That's more important. By the way, move out of your comfort zone. If you want to be successful or an achiever, please move out of your comfort zone. When you are in your comfort zone, your brain doesn't want anything to change. Getting out of your comfort zone from time to time creates just enough good stress to ramp up your focus, creativity, pace, and drive, and that helps you respond to life stress when unexpected things happen. I would love to say repeatedly, life is always a challenge and most unexpected things keep happening every day. You have to be prepared for the unexpected and how you respond to unexpected things in your life. That would determine your achievement, success, and also happiness. Thanks for patient listening. Until I come back next time with something equally interesting. Until then, goodbye. Take care. I am Colonel Pradeep Pindiala signing off for tonight. Bye bye. Take care.